Hello student, today we are going to learn what is the comparison of AC and DC arc welding. Difference between AC and DC arc welding. AC means alternating current, DC means direct current. Left column for AC arc welding, right column for DC arc welding. Number 1 for AC arc welding, equipment is cheaper and simpler. The AC welding transformer has no moving parts, so its equipment is cheaper and is simpler. In DC arc welding, equipment is costlier and complicated. The DC welding generator has rotating parts, so it is more complicated and equipment is also costlier. Okay. Number 2 for AC arc welding, the transformer cost is less and its maintenance cost is low. There is no moving parts. Maintenance of an AC transformer is easier and more economical since it has no moving parts. Okay. In DC arc welding, the generator costs more and its maintenance cost is high. A DC generator carries many moving parts and its maintenance cost is higher. Okay. Number 3, in AC arc welding, it can be operated at large distance from power source as the voltage drop is negligible. It is preferred for welding at very large distance from the power supply because voltage drop in long cables is much less as compared to DC arc welding. Okay. Number 3 for DC arc welding, in DC the voltage drop is very high. Therefore, shorter cable are used. In DC, the voltage drop is relatively higher, restricted its use for welding at long distances for power supply. Here only short cables are used. Okay. Number 4, for AC arc welding, only coated electrode can be used in AC welding. All type of electrodes cannot be used in AC arc welding because the current constantly reverses with every cycle. Only coated electrode can be used. Coated electrode carry a strong coating of flux, and length of coated electrode is short. Okay. In DC arc welding, both coated and bare electrode can be used. Here all type of electrodes, bare or coated, be used in DC arc welding because the polarity can be changed to suit the electrode. Here coated electrode length is small, short. It is coated with flux, and bare electrode is just like wire, or it is same or nearly the same composition of parent metals. Okay. Number 5, for AC arc welding, here less problem on arc blow. What is arc blow? Arc blow is the defect of welding. Usually it is unwanted. Arc blow is the deflection of the arc during arc welding. The problem of arc blow does not arise as it is very easy to control. Number 5, for DC arc welding, more problem of arc blow. In DC, the arc blow is severe and cannot be controlled easily. Okay. Number 6, for AC arc welding, it cannot be used for welding non-ferrous metals. Cannot be used for non-ferrous metal. In DC arc welding, almost all the metals can be welded. Okay. Number 7, for AC arc welding, it can be used only when AC current is available. It can be used when AC supply from the mains is available. Okay.
Number 7, for DC arc welding, an engine driven DC generator can be used in case of non-availability of AC power. An engine means maybe petrol engine or diesel engine. In absence of AC main supply, an engine driven DC generator set can be used. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.